I going so fast? I gotta drive slower. Good Lord. Hello, friends. It's your old pal Nathan. It's been a while since we've talked. Right now, I am driving north on Highway 99, going towards Corvallis. Gonna head to the coast. Gonna stay with some friends. They've got a big field, I guess, and they're gonna have a bunch of us parking in it and camping, which sounds keen to me. Trying something different with this video. So I had a Pixel 4. You remember all those night shots I took? Those were all with my Pixel 4. Pixel 4 not new anymore. And it just straight up died on me. So I have upgraded to a Samsung S24 Plus with the 512 upgrade for storage. My old phone had 64 gigabytes of storage, which is much less. So we're gonna see what happens if I just film the whole thing with my the phone. This isn't gonna be a thing I do in the future, but it does make it a lot easier if I can do a trip with just my phone, just like short trips, just weekend trips. Then I might opt to do that. So if you have opinions on that, if this all sounds terrible and looks like shit, you're welcome to say so in the comments. Also, I'm not looking at the right place. The camera's over there, but I keep looking at the other side of the phone. Anyway, so that is the plan. I got 2 hours to drive. It's going to be raining on the coast, and it's right now 81 degrees in the valley, so I don't mind a little bit of rain. I can handle some in-dampening. Something that I don't think I put on the channel or anywhere is I've done a full rebuild on my tent. I tore out all the struts. I stripped all the rust off them because CVT uses terrible materials, and I got them all repainted, reinstalled, and resealed the top of the tent yet again, and this time I used silicone to actually seal the edges, and then I used truck bed spray to see if that helps as an additional layer. Oh, and I also water sealed the whole thing, so we'll see how that shakes out. I'm actually pretty excited to be in the rain to see how rainproof the tent is now, because let me tell you, I went ham with the friggin' the waterproofing stuff. So that is the plan, and I guess I'll stop recording now, and I'll just drive and sing to myself. So, bye.
So yeah, using my phone as the main camera was a total bust. It was actually worse than what you saw because I used the wrong video mode, and I had to find some other software to extract the video and even make it watchable. So I'm jamming some dash cam in here. I think I want my Pixel 4 back. Anyway, you want to see the attempted murder part of the video?
What the? Jesus Christ.
Yeah, look how chill these assholes are driving down the wrong side of the road on a double yellow. Worst part is they had just gone through miles of passing lane on the other side of this hill. And it's not like this had just turned double yellow. It was deeply that way when they started this idiot maneuver. I tagged Renewal by Anderson on an Instagram version of this video. They did not respond. From what I've been reading online, they are a pretty scammy organization, so I guess it's not too surprising. You can clearly see their phone number on the side of the truck, so if you'd like to, call them up and ask how much meth intake a day is required to be one of their drivers, I'm sure they'd appreciate that. Let me skip ahead a bit here up to the top of the hill. OSP had actually pulled someone over, and I was tempted to stop and report this guy, but I had no way to show them the video, and in my experience, cops aren't terribly interested anyway.
Is DJ here?
See, in my video, I have everybody else taking video. Okay, so I promised 3 things in this video. Attempted murder, check. Camping, check. And key truck off-roading. Well, that's what the next 5 minutes are going to be. This thing is an unstoppable tank. The only mod I believe are the quad tires. Short video this time, everyone. Just wanted to get something up while I'm still working on the Burning Man video. I think I've got that down to 10 hours now. It'll come out eventually. Thank you to Dakota for the truck ride and the invite to the Beat the Heat event. Looking forward to next year.
Travel? Oh, we don't travel.
Tears right up this. Wait, going side by side. Yeah.
I did the math earlier. It's 770 pounds.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a lot. I don't think you can get a side by side that's ready for that. It's funny because some things it takes in stride, other things you just get it all wrong, and you're just like, that hurt tremendously. Thanks for that.
It's a lot of rain.